This is a front elevation. Front elevation made of Jodhpur stone. Very beautiful elevation. This is main entrance and parking area. We are entering the house now. This is the parking area, very big parking. This is the garden area. Yes, we are entering in the house now. This is the sitting room. Very beautifully decorated. Nice color. Nice POP work also. Very beautiful POP work. Very nice marble. All front doors are made of sagwan, teak wood. This now we are entering into the lobby of the house. Lobby is very big, very large lobby. This is a very beautiful lobby. Here also very beautifully decorated POP work, chandelier, fan, fancy lights. This is the lobby. Lobby has got very beautiful showcase. Now we are entering into the kitchen. Kitchen is made of the modular style. It's a very beautiful kitchen. Granite platform. Very beautifully made. It has got chimney also and nice trolleys. Lobby opens into the 2 bedrooms. Ground floor has got the 2 bedrooms. Both the bedrooms are featured with the split AC. This is a bedroom. Bedroom has got a test toilet. This is the test toilet we are entering. This is a toilet. Toilet has got bathtub also. This is the second, we are entering into the second bedroom. This is second bedroom on the ground floor. This is a utility area. You can keep washing machine. This is the utility area. This is second bathroom. Elegant tiles, beautiful designs. All the bedrooms have got wardrobe, almirah. Furniture work is completely done. Nice doors. The gas toilet. This is for the inverter. Lobby has got 2 doors which opens towards the parking area. Nice steel railing. This one door opens towards the parking area. Now we are going upstairs. From here we can see very beautiful lobby. This is the first floor. First floor also has got very beautiful lobby and nicely decorated ceiling work, POP. This is the first floor. First floor also has got one separate kitchen plus 3 rooms. This is the kitchen on the first floor. Very beautiful color. Nice chandelier. This is one bedroom on the first floor. It has got attached toilet. Very beautiful tiles. All tiles are of branded company. All fittings are of branded company. This is another bedroom. Very nice marble. Very beautiful marble. All bedroom has got with the almirah wardrobe. One small wardrobe also. This is children room. Nicely painted. This open space on the back side of the terrace of the first floor, where you can have parties. And both the bedroom opens towards the balcony. It's got very beautiful balcony. We are going now on the balcony. This is a balcony. We are into the balcony. In the balcony now. This house made by Anish Developer and Builder. If you wish to contact, telephone number is 98284 26886 and email ID is adbjodhpur@yahoo.com. Thank you very much for watching.